I feel like I'm so behind when it comes to cube releases. Like, I remember when I first started cubing, I used to know every single cube that was coming out. And now I am like completely oblivious to new cubes. Like, Dayan made a new 3x3. It's called like the Xiangyun or something. And like, did you know? I didn't know. But let's unbox it. So you can see here, normal Dayan box. Alright, let's just open this right up. Okay, sticker shades look really bad. Just those normal Dayan sticker shades. Why is the cube so tight right now? Okay, let's just do some first turns. Do you guys hear that? What the heck is that? Well, that kind of sucks. I don't really know how to feel about it. So first, I love the feel. Just saying. Like, it doesn't turn that well, and I'll get to that in a bit, but like, just the sound it makes. I love the sound. And like, it's all like nice and like scratchy and stuff. Like, I love the cube's feel. As for performance though, it might be just because, you know, this cube is really tight out of the box. And I'm pretty sure if I loosened it and then maybe put some weight 8 or something, I think it would be really nice. So I'll definitely be doing that and getting back to you guys. But I mean, I really like the feel. And there doesn't seem to be too many lockups. Okay, let's just take a look at the corner cutting. Yeah, it's too tight to really test the corner cutting. Yeah, but I mean, it seems fairly controllable. The speed is good, so there's not too many lockups, and I'm fairly impressed. Yeah, I think if I just set this up a lot, it would be pretty decent, honestly. And I think that's exactly what I'm going to do, because I love the feel of this cube, and I actually feel like setting it up. Alright, I'll get back to you guys once I set this cube up. So remember how I said I was going to loosen it and put in weight 8 and hopefully it would be really good? Well, that's exactly what I did, and it's freaking horrible now. Like, oh my gosh, it's so bad. Like, jeez, how is it so bad now? I haven't tried a cube so bad since like the sun on Mars. Yeah, you know what? I give up on it. I'm just gonna, you know, just put it there. Yeah, I swear Dayan has not made a good 3x3 since like the Zanchi. Anyways, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.